Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Windows security. Whenever you're trying to turn it on, you are not able to turn on, or you are not able to turn off the Windows security. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending at your end, make sure you install the latest updates from the Microsoft. Nextly is, if you have installed any third-party antivirus such as McAfee, Avast, Norton, make sure you completely uninstall these third-party antiviruses from your system. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Right-click on Start menu and choose option Run. Type here regedit and then hit the Enter key. Now in regedit, you need to paste a path which I will share you in the description of this video. Just copy the path from the description of this video and paste right over here by pressing the Ctrl+V key and then hit the Enter key. Now over here in this right pane, if right click and choose the option New and choose dword 32-bit value. Give it a name, Disable Anti Spyware. Double click to open it and value data, make sure you give it a value 0. Again right click New, dword 32-bit value, and this time give it a name, Disable Real-Time Monitoring. Double click to open it. Again in value data, give it a value 0 and hit the OK button. Now click on this policy manager. Again right click, choose new dword 32-bit value and give it a name, Hello User UI. Double click to open it and value data, give it a value as 1. Now hit the OK button. Once you have done these 3 changes, go ahead, restart your PC and then open your Windows security and check if the issue of Windows security not turning on is fixed out or not. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the third step. Click on Start menu and type PowerShell. Run PowerShell as an administrator. Now here in PowerShell, you need to paste 2 commands one by one. Both commands will be provided you in the description of this video. Here is the first command. Select it, copy and paste right over here by pressing the Ctrl+V key and then hit the Enter key. This will reset your Windows security. Now here is second command. Again copy from the description and paste right over here. This will re-register your Windows security. Once pasted, hit the Enter key. Once the command is completed, close it. Now make sure to restart your PC and restart your Windows security to fix out the issue of Windows security not turning on. Now if all this method failed to work out, the last hope you have is to open up settings menu, click on the option system over here, scroll down and click on the option recovery. Click on the option reset this PC. Choose the first option to keep my files. Now click on the option local reinstall. Now once you hit the next button, it will do a reset of your PC. Make sure the files present in your PC will remains in your system, but the files that you have installed in your system will be completely removed. So you need to reinstall all the applications. However, the file remains safe in your system. Now hit the next button to continue. Now it is clearly stated right over here that which files are removed. These are the applications that I have installed in my system. These applications will be completely removed. However, all the files remain same. So click on the option reset and this will completely reset your PC and in turn fix out the issue of Windows security not turning on. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.